If you want to learn to manifest anything you desire in your heart, to become a fact in your reality, you need to master the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Today I want to discuss with you a powerful technique known as revision. The revision technique is a method where you revisit your day and change any events that didn't go according to your desires. To practice this, I want you to close your eyes and enter a drowsy, relaxed state. Right before you drift off to sleep, review the events of your day as if you're watching a movie on the screen of your mind. Now, take any event that was undesirable or didn't align with your goals and rewrite it in your mind. Imagine the scene unfolding exactly as you wished it had. Feel the emotions you would have felt had things gone the way you wanted. Immerse yourself in this revised version of events until it feels real and true to you. The subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined with feeling. By revising your day in this manner, you're impressing your subconscious with the reality you desire. This creates a new pattern, a new belief that will shape your future experiences. Remember, the key is to feel the wish already fulfilled. You must believe in the reality of your revision. You must be absolutely convinced. Do this every night and watch how your reality begins to shift. You hold the power to change your past and shape your future. Practice revision and manifest the life you've always desired. Stay consistent, and soon you'll realize that you are the creator of your reality. Manifestation begins within you.